All right, so Amazon's saying it will not increase referral or FBA fees or any new types of fees and are decreasing some fees for 2025. So the news is in, folks. If you were worried that fees were going up, new fees were coming in, Amazon's here to say with their embossed kind of face, don't worry about it. So let's take a look at what they're saying over here. So near the end of each year, we provide our partners, blah, blah, blah. Looking back, we made a number of meaningful fee changes. Really? Including lowering our fulfillment fees for all low price products, lowering referral fees for low priced apparel items. Pfft, come on. Lowering referral fees for low priced apparel items. Clearly, they know who's selling that. Evolving our fulfillment fee structure to separate inbound and outbound fees. Okay. These changes have increased the availability, whatever. We recognize that these changes have required adjustments to sellers' operations. We appreciate that. Yeah, sure we do. As a result of this partnership, we're proud to report that independent sellers have seen record-breaking sales in our store. It's Amazon, come on. As we look to the fees, after a year that had a number of fee changes, we are providing more stability in our fees so they can prioritize growing their business. As a result, we are not introducing any new fee types or increasing referral or FBA fees. And we will decrease some fees and add benefits to further support. Guys, you need to read and listen. Yeah, I have a scratch on the side of my head. My kids are dangerous. We are not introducing any new fee types, or increasing referral or FBA fees. So they're not giving new fee types, nor are they increasing referral or FBA fees. Everybody hears that and goes, hooray. Read between the lines. So if they're not giving new fee types and they're not increasing referral or FBA fees, they're not saying that they're not going to increase other existing types. I'm not saying they are, but from what I'm reading here, it's saying no new fee types, fine. And they're not increasing referral or FBA fees. And they're not saying they're not increasing fees holistically. Just take that with a grain of salt, that they may recoup this by increasing things that aren't referral or FBA fees. I'm just saying that. Not trying to be pessimistic, I'm trying to be realistic. We will continue innovating, blah, blah, blah. Below you can read our full email we're sending our partners. Oh, I kind of just read that already. We will not increase US referral and FBA fees and will not introduce any new fee types. See, again, they will not increase referral or FBA fees. Got it. And they're not going to introduce new fee types. But will they increase already existing fee types? They're not saying that. Okay, fee changes. We are lowering inbound placement service fees for large bulky products, an average of 58 cents a unit. Okay. We'll waive the inbound placement fee for new parent ASINs that qualify for the FBA new selection program. I don't know what that is. And are included in shipments created between this and this. Okay. We are introducing more incentives for adding certain new selection in our store. We will enhance the new seller incentives. Okay, new selection. So it's not different products. We'll enhance the new seller incentives and FBA new selection programs with greater fee discounts to support targeted segments of new selection growth. I want to know what that is, though. We will regularly refresh these discounts and will include products in everyday essentials. Okay. Other than these three updates, our US referral and FBA fee types and rates will not change. See, again, they're saying it very clearly in your face. Our referral fee on US, by the way, referral and FBA fee types will not change. They're saying this to make you look over here. But what's in this hand? Are we going to raise storage? But we don't know. We don't know. That's not what they're saying. But they are saying this is good. But want to know what is the aha? When does the other shoe drop? But this is good news because people were afraid that the fees are going to go up for the referral and FBA fee types, but that's not going up. Let me know what you guys think. Are you worried about the other shoe dropping and the fees that are already existing that are not referral or FBA fees? What do you guys feel that the current fees are outside of referral and FBA fees that are the biggest ones that you're worried about that they could potentially increase based on this language? Let me know in the comments below.